आपने देखी? Yes. Part 1 भी देखी?
5 times.
Amazing. So it's so funny and entertaining. You know, when I heard the film myself, that I was falling off जब मैं सुन रही थी, and I was like, I have to be a part of a film like this. And the first part was the first of its kind in the horror comedy genre in India. So बहुत मजा आया यार, मतलब ऐसा लगा कि we were all doing धमाल together on set. I was surrounded by brilliant actors. The writing on the film is fantastic. The dialogues are fantastic. My director is fantastic. My producer, I was just surrounded with everyone who was so passionate and so excited to make the film. तो मतलब मैं बहुत excited थी to be a part of a good film, which is part 1. अब part 2 की बारी आ गई, and my producer Dinu was not in a rush to make it. He was like, बनाएंगे तो अच्छे से बनाएंगे, और we will do it when we crack the right script and the right story. And I think that is the most amazing thing that he did. He stayed true to the making the right sequel of the film. So, and then I have a deadly choti. I'm like, wow, this is really cool. But it's been amazing to be a part of a film like this, which has, a deeper message in an entertaining way, where people after watching the film have questions, but through entertainment about, what kind of changes have come about in people's mindsets and the way people think. And I think that's the best way to make a film. कि आप किसी को ज्ञान नहीं दे रहे, because ज्ञान is boring यार.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yeah. True.
है ना, मतलब who wants to be preached at? Nobody. I don't want to be preached.
But
I want to watch something in an entertaining way.
We all went for you.
Sorry?
We all went for you.
Thank you so much. But I was just very happy to be a part of this film, and to be a part of such a fantastic movie.
Well, she too, I'm glad that he waited and the director was thinking that this made a good one, because it proves that a sequel can be a better, rather than just releasing it for the sake of it. Now, just the movies we talk, and this is not even 10% of what you've done so far. Asha T2, and then we're talking about Heather, and then we're talking about Sri. This range in acting, this amazing range that you have, did you discover it as you go, or you were always, you knew this about yourself, that you have this range? And how important is for you to choose roles that shows that range?
I also feel very honestly, the best is yet to come. If I have to say, I feel there is a lot that I want to do, a lot.
You're always best.
Oh, thank you. But नहीं सच में, मतलब मुझे, I really want to do different kinds of films, play different kinds of characters, and which is also why I feel now I'm okay to not do something or do films back to back unless I feel it in my gut. I have to feel like I have to offer the audiences also something different. So I am looking for that. I want to be a part of films that are different for me as an actor, where I also feel like, oh my god, ये थोड़ा सा मैं डर ही हूँ यार to play this character, but I'm excited also to play this character. But that's what I'm after now. Yes.
Any role that when you were narrating about the narration, was there any role you were like, oh, this is too big? Can I even do this? Let me just say yes and see what happens. Like, is there any challenging role you went through in one of the characters?
Hasina Parkar was a very different film for me. And I don't know how many of you have seen it. Thank you. I'm so glad to know that. But yeah, मतलब वो picture box office पे कामयाब नहीं थी. But as an actor, I felt very excited to do that film. And it didn't matter to me that it didn't do well at the box office. I just felt deeply in my heart that I wanted to do a part, I wanted to be a part of a film purely to explore a different kind of character. and that was an author-backed role. And I've not had many of those, but I am looking for those parts now, and I feel like I'm very excited to look for those parts. But Hasina was one of those films for me. Hasina is a very special film and very close to my heart.
Yeah, it's a hard role to pull off, to be honest. And you've done a good job at it. Now tell me one thing. Now you come from a family. Again, we just talked about the great, the amazing Shakti Kapoor. And the whole family, you guys have this family thing going on, which is everybody's strong. They're a family of artists, they're actors. How much of pressure this adds to you, to your daily life, and how much, especially in your early career days, pressure कितना होता है इस चीज़ का कि यार अगर ये हो गया तो वापस घर आएंगे and I have these cousins, these friends, everybody like me, not as good as. Is there that pressure? Do you go through this?
हाँ?
Family politics.
फैमिली पॉलिटिक्स सबके घर में होता है ना? हाँ? कहानी कलेश है ना? मेरे घर में भी बहुत होता है।
सबके घर में होता है।
सबके घर में होता है। उसमें मजा भी है ना? कितना मजा आता है यार, कलेश होता है घर पे, सीरियल होता है ना, 24/7 घर पे चालू होता है। इसलिए मैं पेरेंट्स का घर नहीं छोड़ रही। That's why I'm still living with my parents because I miss the kalesh in my house.
फटा कौन करेगा?
हाँ?
फटा कौन करेगा?
सोचो तो
Are you फटेगा?
आपको नहीं पसंद? पसंद है?
Listen, guys,
ड्रामा होता है ना थोड़ा सा अपने लाइफ में, तड़का थोड़ा सा मसाला लग जाता है डे टू डे।
I'm Bully's friend. Bully's friend.
Sorry?
I'm Bully's friend.
Hello?
I know everything.
we'll talk after.
So in case everybody wants to know who Bully is my brother, Siddhant. He's fondly known as Bully, and he has a lot of friends all over the world, and he is one of the most amazing human beings. And I'm not just saying that because I'm his sister, but he has been one of my most, how do you say, क्या बोलते हैं यार कि मैं backbone absolutely, but मतलब जब सच में you need that pillar, and I don't even मतलब मुझे उनको कुछ बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं होती और उनको पता चल जाता है कि I have to, हाँ, absolutely, he is definitely. So यार हमने क्या कलेश के बारे में बात किया और ड्रामा के बारे में बात किया, मैंने मेरे भैया का निकनेम बता दिया पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे के साथ शेयर कर दिया, but
Yeah, but I'm glad. So the family, actually for you, I guess, first of all, you seem very confident in a good way. I guess your family was always supporting, so that kind of pressure, most definitely you go through, but it wasn't that much. I can tell, at least from the stories that.
But I have to say, now that we're talking about, are you saying that the pressure of work at home, how do I deal with that?
The perception क्या बनेगा if I didn't do well, my father is that great man, you know?
Oh नहीं, वो तो मतलब actually, I only first and foremost care about what my parents are going to think about the work that I'm doing. मतलब मैं actually उस फैक्टर को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस हो जाती हूँ कि what is my brother going to think about this film, what is my mom, what is my dad, my maasis, what are they going to think? And you're right, I get very nervous about that because I want to make them proud, that's it. I just want them to feel, okay, she's done a good job, we are proud of her. And but so that pressure I feel. But their family is always so supportive, right? And my brother is my most honest critique. My dad is also, but my dad will say it in a more loving way. He'll be like, बहुत अच्छा किया, and you know now you should try this or you should do that. My brother will be like, I didn't like it. I'm just like, no sugar coating. I didn't like it. No little पसंद नहीं आया. Okay. So you need such people in your life also, definitely.
You do need that, especially at home. balance important, you know, otherwise.
But my mom, on the other hand, loves everything that I do. For her, I can never go wrong.
Now, you have a lot of emotional depth in a lot of roles that you do. Do you have any ritual when you're on set? Do you like to be disturbed, talked with, or just leave me alone before such a scene?
For emotional scenes,
Before these scenes that need depth, need a certain character.
no यार बहुत मतलब टैंकी भरी हुई है अंदर बस टैप चालू कर दो और बंद कर दो हो गया no honestly though it's Mohit has a very interesting process. Mohit Suri, he gets very intense on set. He is someone who will really explain the scene to you. He will really tell you what the character should be feeling. And then he will give you examples also. He just imagine something that must have happened in your life where you were really sad or really upset. So he takes you through that journey. But different directors work in different ways. And for me personally, I feel sometimes that emotion doesn't leave you for some time. Sometimes it does leave you. It really depends. And tap on kar do, tap band kar do. But it is something also, it depends on the scene, it depends on the environment on set as well. But how do you say it? That I don't feel like something hasn't left me for a long time or anything like that. No.
Beautiful. This is a blessing for you to be able to. But again, like looking to your social media, I can tell like you have this. First of all, you're very jolly. You're very playful. You got me. And then you can jump from a character to character. So I can tell you, among your friends, you were the person who used to make fun of all the teachers, all the professors. You guys think people say, I guess you're good at acting in this way. And then the accents you have. So it makes sense like a person like you to have all this in you. You can just push this better and that better, which is a blessing for the actress, to be honest.
How do you know? You spoke to my friends, na? They told me. यही थी जिसने हम सबको खराब किया ग्रुप में. कि don't go on how she looks. You spoke to my friends, I can tell.
Yeah. There's a way to get to these things. Any story you want to mention, you want to tell us. If you have, if you don't, it's okay. We will carry on. Yeah. In the school, you've done something just to keep some healthy.
Oh, I've done many things in school which are not very ideal, I would say, and with a very big disclaimer where, I was actually very naughty in school, very, very naughty, but nobody thought I was naughty. They were like, it's not possible that Shraddha was the one who arranged for the exam papers beforehand and distributed to her group of friends, and they all cheated on the exam together. Even the teachers didn't believe it when I confessed. I went and I said कि हाँ मैं ही वो थी, मैं ही वो culprit हूँ. And they were like, it's kind of possible. And I was like, it is possible. It was me. So, but I don't advise anybody to do this. Please be good students. If anyone is watching, it is not worth it. It is worth studying for your exams. They let me off with a warning. I was lucky enough to complete my schooling. So, but then after that, I became more disciplined. And
So, what is this that I come with?
Wow.
it did very well.
Yeah. Now, you're an actress. You did a lot of good songs, and then you're an artist, and then you're going to talk about this new venture that you're doing. Like you're a co-founder of this brand. You're going to talk about later. How do you balance all this? Like during the day, during your life, is it a capacity thing? How do you balance? How do you juggle among all this?
I am able to balance because I think I'm also very sure that I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my friends. I love spending time with my dogs. I love traveling. I love reading.